product that we show here at Hannover Messe USA is our EPLAN Smart Value Chain. This is a new business approach that we're taking into the US market to bring a better approach as to why our products are better in the electrical engineering automation process. For years it's been more of a cover of its features, but it's never really hit the core as to why it really is important. And with the EPLAN Smart Value Chain, we also tied in our business case benchmark study, where we interviewed 200 panel shop builders internationally, 50 of them in the in North America. And we analyzed the various processes in the panel building process, from the early kitting stages to the final logistics, as to where the bottlenecking issues and the cost and the time losses occur. From that, we matched it up with our EPLAN portfolio and our products, and from there we were able to dissect a lot of time and cost savings for those panel shops in average times and average cost savings as well.